about Sweden, but yeah.
So I'll show you the front and then I'll show you the back. So that's the front. Really, really cool top. It does look better online actually, but still, you got that shimmery effect with the light. You can see circular shimmery effect. But yeah, really, really cool top. Number 3, if you know him. Yeah, it doesn't have any marks or anything on, but you can definitely smell it. Definitely been worn. Very happy with this pickup. Again, I do like Sweden. I don't know why. I just do. Always had a thing for Sweden. The Ekdal, one of